ओम शांति शांति शांति। सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राख्य सहस्रपात् स भूमिं विश्वतो कृत्वा अत्यतिष्ठदशाङ्गुलम् पुरुष एवेदं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् उतामृतव्यशेषाणः यदन्नेन विरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अतो जायामिश्च पुरुषः पादोऽस्य विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादोर्दग्धे पुरुषः पादोऽस्येहा भवात् पुनः ततो विश्वं व्यक्रामत् शासनानशने अभि तस्मात् विराट जायत विराजो अधिपुरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत पश्चाद्भूमिमतो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तो अस्यासीराज्यम् ग्रीष्म शरद्दभिः सप्तास्यासन् परिधयः त्रिसप्तसमिदकृताः देवा यद्यज्ञं तन्नानाः अवग्नं पुरुषं पशुं तं यज्ञं बहिर्षि प्रौह्यन् पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्यानुशयश्च ये तस्मायज्ञा सर्वभूता संभृतं पुरुषदाज्यं पशुस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यान् आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मायज्ञान् सर्वभूता निजसामानि जगिरे छन्दागुंसि जगिरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादस्व अजायन्त एकेचो भयादतः गावो जगिरे तस्मात् जात अजावयः यत्पुरुषं व्यदधु कतिधा व्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्य कौ बाहु बाहुरुपादा उच्यते ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यकृतः ऊरुपदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागुं शूद्रो अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षो सूर्यो अजायत मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणात् वायुरजायत नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षं शीर्षो यो समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशस्त्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागुम् अकल्पयन् वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरः नामानि कृत्वा विवदत्यदास्ते धाता पुरसाद्यमुदाचार शक्रप्रविद्वान् प्रदिशश्च तस्रः तमेवं विद्वान् अमृतस्य भवति नान्यपन्थायनात् विद्यते यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवाः तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन्ते देहनाकं महिमान सचन्ते यत्र पूर्वे साध्या सन्ति देवाः अद्य सम्भूतं पृथिवीरसाच्च विश्वकर्मणः समवर्ततादि तस्य द्रष्टा विदधद्रुवमेति तत्पुरुषस्य विश्वमाजानमग्रे वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् तमेव विद्वामृतं यभवति नान्यपन्था विद्यते गयनाय प्रजापतिश्चरति गर्भे अन्तः अजायमानो बहुधा विजायते तस्य धीराः परिजानन्ति योनिम् मरीचीनां पदमिच्छन्ति वेधसः यो देवेभ्यः आतपति यो देवानां पुरोहितः पूर्वो यो देवेभ्यो जातः नमो ऋचाय ब्राह्मये ऋचं ब्राह्मं जनयन्तः देवा अग्रे तदब्रुवन् यस्तेवं ब्राह्मणो विद्यात् तस्य देवा असन्वसे क्लिश्चते लक्ष्मीश्च पत्न्यो अहोरात्रे पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपम् अश्विनो व्यातम् इष्टं मनीषान अमुं मनीषान सर्वं मनीषान
शौनो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ नमो भगवते शिवानन्दाय ॐ नमो भगवते चिदानन्दाय ॐ नमो भगवते कृष्णानन्दाय ॐ नमो नारायणाय ॐ नमो भगवते शिवानन्दाय ॐ नमो भगवते चिदानन्दाय ॐ नमो भगवते कृष्णानन्दाय ॐ हरि ईश्वरी सर्वभूतानां तामियोगयन्द्रियं दिव्यं गन्धं धारयामि गन्धस्य परिकुङ्कुमं समर्पयामि ॐ गन्धद्वाराधरजानितं गरेशनि ईश्वरी सर्वभूतानां तामियोगयन्द्रियं दिव्यं गन्धं धारयामि गन्धस्य परिकुङ्कुमं समर्पयामि ॐ सौनो मित्र संवरुण सौनो भवऋत्वर्यमा सौन इंद्रो बृहस्पति शौनो विष्णुरुक्रम नमो ब्रह्मणि नमस्ते वायु त्वमेव प्रत्येकं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्येकं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मावतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु मावतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ यच्छन्द्रचामृजो विश्वरूपः छन्दोभ्यो देवृतात् सम्भवो शमीन्द्रो वेदया शृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणा भूतोऽसि मे दयामेतः श्रुतं मे गोपाय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
यो ब्रह्माणं दधाति पूर्वं यो वेदां च प्रतिनोति तस्मै तं देववाहमभ्ये प्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ नमो ब्रह्माणं दधाति यो महद्यो नमो गुरुभ्यः सर्वोपप्लवरहितः प्रज्ञानघनः प्रत्यक्षो ब्रह्मेऽहमस्मि ॐ नारायणं पद्मभवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौरपदमहान्तं गोविन्दयोगेन्द्रपदास्य शिष्यं श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमहास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यं त्रयम्बकं शिवानन्दस्मृतियो सन्ततमानदस्मि श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं पादरायणं शूद्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिनि व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः ओंकारुकाय नमः ओं सद्गुरुवे नमः ओं साक्षात् शंकरभगवते नमः ओं शिवानन्दाय नमः ओं शिवाकाराय नमः ओं शिवासर्वकाय नमः ओं ऋषिकेशनिवासिने नमः ओं वैद्यशास्त्रविशारदाय नमः ओं समदर्शिने नमः ओं तपस्विने नमः ओं प्रेमरूपाय नमः ओं महामुनये नमः ओं दिव्यजयसङ्घप्रतिष्ठात्रे नमः ओं प्रबोधकाय नमः ओं कीर्तनस्वरूपिणे नमः ओं भक्तिगम्याय नमः ओं भयावहाय नमः ओं सर्वविदे नमः ओं सर्वकाय नमः ओं नेत्रे नमः ओं त्रयीमार्गदर्शकाय नमः ओं वैराग्यनिरताय नमः ओं सर्वलोकहितैषिकाय नमः ओं भवमयप्रसन्मनाय नमः ओं समाधिगन्धकल्पकाय नमः ओं गुणिने नमः ओं महात्मने नमः ओं आनन्दगत्वे नमः
हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय ओम
नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय शिवाय
ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो नारायणाय
ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो नारायणाय नमो नारायणाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते रामचंद्राय
ओम नमो भगवते रामचंद्राय
आंजनेय 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 पाहि मां हनुमन्त 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 रक्ष माम्
आंजनेय 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 पाहि मां हनुमन्त 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 रक्ष मां
दत्तात्रेय 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 पाहि मां दत्तगुरु 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 रक्ष माम्
गुरु दत्त गुरु पाहि गुरु रक्ष मां
शंकराचार्य 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 पाहि मां भगवत्पाद 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 रक्ष मां
शंकराचार्य 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 पाहि मां भगवत्पाद भगवत्पाद पाद रक्ष मां
सद्गुरुदेव 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 पाहि मां
सद्गुरुदेव 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 पाहि मां
शिवानंद 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 रक्ष मां
शिवानंद 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 रक्ष मां
चिदानंद 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 पाहि मां कृष्णानंद 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 रक्ष मां
शिवानंद 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 पाहि मां कृष्णानंद 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 रक्ष मां
गंगाराणि 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 पाहि मां भागीरथी 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 रक्ष मां
गंगाराणि 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 पाहि मां भागीरथी 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 रक्ष मां
ओम शक्ति पाहि मां ब्रह्म शक्ति विष्णु शक्ति शिव शक्ति रक्ष मां
ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति पाहि मां ब्रह्मा शक्ति विष्णु शक्ति शिव शक्ति रक्ष माम्।
ओम आदिशक्ति महाशक्ति पराशक्ति पाहि माम्।
ओम आदिशक्ति महाशक्ति पराशक्ति पाहि माम्।
इच्छा शक्ति क्रिया शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति रक्ष माम्।
इच्छा शक्ति क्रिया शक्ति ज्ञान शक्ति रक्ष माम्।
राजराजेश्वरी 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 पाहि मां त्रिपुरा सुंदरी त्रिपुरा सुंदरी त्रिपुरा सुंदरी रक्ष माम्।
राजराजेश्वरी 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 पाहि मां त्रिपुरा सुंदरी त्रिपुरा सुंदरी त्रिपुरा सुंदरी रक्ष माम्।
ओम तत्सत् ओम तत्सत् ओम तत्सत् ओम ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति
ओम तत्सत् ओम तत्सत् ओम तत्सत् ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति
ओम गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बोफलसारभक्षणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजं। मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वजः मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्षो मङ्गलाय तनो हरि। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम्। एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। यस्यान्तर्नादिमध्यं न हि करचरणं नाम गोत्रं न शूत्रं नो जातिर्नैव वर्णं न भवति पुरुषो नो नपुंसं न च स्त्री नाकारं नो विकारं न हि जनिमरणं नास्ति पुण्यं न पापं नो तत्त्वं तत्त्वमेकं सहजसमरसं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चैतन्यं शाश्वतं शान्तं व्योमातीतं निरञ्जनं नादबिन्दुकलातीतं तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरोन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरुः पदम् मंत्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुः कृपा। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये निष्प्रपञ्चाय शान्ताय निरालम्बाय तेजसे नित्यं शुद्धं निराभासं निराकारं निरञ्जनं नित्यबोधं चिदानन्दं गुरुं ब्रह्मा नमाम्यहम्। निधये सर्वविद्यानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां सर्वलोकानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। तत्पादाम्बुजम् अर्चयामि परमां त्वां चिन्तयामि अन्वहम्। त्वामीशं शरणं व्रजामि वचसा त्वामेव याचे विभो। वीक्षां मे दिश चाक्षुषीं सकरुणां दिव्यै चिरं प्रार्थितां। शम्भो लोकगुरो मदीयमनसि सौख्योपदेशगुरो। शम्भो लोकगुरो मदीयमनसं सौख्योपदेशगुरो। प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयहरणं
श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयहरणं
श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयहरणं
श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयहरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायकचरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायकचरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायकचरणं चरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
चरणं शरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
चरणं शरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयहरणं
श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयहरणं
श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयहरणं
श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयहरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
चरणं शरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
चरणं शरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयहरणं
श्रीगुरुचरणं भवभयहरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
ब्रह्मानन्दप्रदायक चरणं
चरणं शरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
चरणं शरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
प्रातः स्मरणं श्रीगुरुचरणं
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 सद्गुरु भगवान की
जय।
ॐ गङ्गणपतये नमः। ॐ गुङ्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ ऐं सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीं महालक्ष्म्यै नमः। ॐ दुर्गायै नमः। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। On this holy and auspicious Punyatithi Aradhana of Param Pujya Sri Swami Krishnanandji Maharaj, we have got some books by him for release. This is a booklet This is Song of God Almighty. This is a poem written by Param Pujya Sri Swami Krishnanandji Maharaj. It's a very long poem, and in the form of a book we have got it. We are very happy to release this today. We have also got another book. This is Path to God Realization, Part 1 by Swami Krishnanandji Maharaj. This is a Swami Krishnananda Birth Centenary Series 5. So this is also a booklet, a part of this centenary celebration. So this is also available for release on this auspicious day. This is Path to God Realization Part 1 by Swami Krishnanandji Maharaj. Revered Atman, today is the very auspicious and holy Punyatithi Aradhana of His Holiness Sri Swami Krishnanandji Maharaj. It's a very, very auspicious occasion. On this day, Param Pujya Swamiji Maharaj attained Mahasamadhi. It is also called Brahmaleen. Swamiji became Brahmaleen. That means he merged in Brahman, or the ultimate reality, on this day. Ultimate reality, Brahman, it is God. So he merged in God on this day. This is also a very holy day from another point of view, because today is the holy Gopashtami. Gopashtami is a very auspicious and holy day dedicated to the cowherds to Lord Krishna this particular day. So that is why it is called Gopashtami. So it was a great thing that on this holy day, Param Pujya Swamiji Maharaj also became one with the Absolute, with God, with Lord Krishna, with Brahman. Swamiji Maharaj, he actually attained Mahasamadhi in 2001, November 23rd, 2001. Long before his Mahasamadhi, many years ago, he used to say, "When I die, I will go to God." He had been telling this many times. I have heard from him that when I die, I will go to God and I will merge in God. This was the emphatic statement of Parapujya Sri Swami Krishnanandji Maharaj. And this also actually happened. In 2001, when the day of his Mahasamadhi, early morning, when he got up, and he said that to everybody who were around, and Swamiji said that today I am leaving. That means this is my last day. Today I will attain Mahasamadhi. And this is what Swamiji could know from early morning itself, and he declared. And on that day also, he said that you see, I had seen a dream yesterday. And in this dream, you see, there was something about this. So, it is definitely that today I am leaving. And in the afternoon that day, and he actually said that now he had breathing difficulty and gasping for breath. There was some problem in his breathing. So he said that, and people who were around, his attendants, those who were attending on him, because Swamiji had this asthma problem, and people thought that probably Swamiji has the same asthma problem now because of that difficulty. But Swamiji said, it was around 3:34 or something. So Swamiji said that, no, my life is now going away. My prana is actually leaving now. He immediately knew that I am leaving just now. And he said that also, I am going to merge in God. I am now merging in God. Just he made this declaration, this expression. And immediately within 5 minutes, his breath stopped. And then the final last minute came. So like that, Swami Krishnanand Maharaj, he was so much of confident that you see, he is merging in God. Whatever he had said earlier, years ago, and that actually came true. That and he said that now I am merging in God. Like that, Swamiji Maharaj very clearly told these things. So that means, you see, when we say that all Mahasamadhi day of all the sannyasis, it is actually called Brahmalin. The Swami became Brahmalin on this day. This is told about every sannyasi. He became Brahmalin. Like that, when somebody has attained Mahasamadhi, they say thereafter they are Brahmalin so and so. And in case of Swami Krishnanand Maharaj, it was not only just honorifically saying that Brahmalin so and so, but Swamiji actually showed in his life, in his last moment, in his expressions, that he actually merged in Brahman. He became one with Brahman. That was what Swami Krishnanand Maharaj had, we saw from him. And this is a very, very rare thing, that one would be conscious at the last moment of departure. And he would also say that now I am leaving. And he would also say that, you see, now I am merging in God. And he actually merged in God. Because it is said in the Bhagavad Gita, whosoever at the last minute remembers God, he becomes one with God. He goes to God. He has the supreme liberation. He attains the supreme state, Paramagati. Like that, Lord Krishna has declared in the Bhagavad Gita. So this is what we found in Swami Krishnanand Maharaj. And Swami Krishnanand Maharaj was also a very great saint. And we were very fortunate that we had such a great saint amidst us in our ashram, to have his darshan and also to serve him, and also to have guidance from him. He was a great guru, and then it was our great fortune, and that we had Swami Krishnanand Maharaj in our ashram. And Swami Gurudev Swami Shivanand Maharaj had a great love for him, great liking for him, and a soft corner for Swami Krishnanand Maharaj. And Swamiji himself, Swami Krishnanand Maharaj, was a very great saint. He had a very soft heart. He was very kind and compassionate. And he never harmed anybody in his life. He never harmed anybody, whatever difficulty may be there, whatever mistake somebody might have committed. Swamiji never did anything wrong to anybody. He never harmed him. He never punished him. He said that it is all God's will. Whatever is going to happen will happen, like that. So he never harmed anybody, which is a very great thing. Very rarely we come across such a saint who was throughout always established in this ahimsa, or you see, non-injury to others, and having kindness and compassion. What Gurudev Swamiji here said, that be kind, be compassionate, and practice non-injury, non-violence, all those things, etc. Swamiji Maharaj, we were seeing, these are only a few things, etc. And Swamiji Maharaj, one great thing also he used to say, that whatever thought we are having during the day, that alone actually will ultimately determine our departure. And whatever is the most important thing that we like, that will always be in our mind, in our heart, and that also will be there at the end of our life. Towards the end, that will be there, and that only will determine our next birth. So Swami Krishnanand Maharaj used to say, what are you thinking throughout the day? Among all the thoughts which come to us, out of that, you see, there will be one important thought, most important and dearest to you. That thought will be there in the background throughout the day, that will be going on like this inside your mind. That actually will determine ultimately what is your state of thinking, what is the level of your spiritual development, and what also ultimately will happen to you. That is what Swami Krishnanand Maharaj used to say. So therefore be very careful. Always think of what you are thinking. You must be very careful about it. Because in the Bhagavad Gita also Lord Krishna says, Jam jam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyante kalevaram tam tam eva iti kaunteya sada tat bhava bhavitaha. Because whatever thought one has throughout the day, in all his life, that only will determine the next birth. That only will be there at the end of his, when his departure, at the last moment, that thought will be there. That will be the paramount and most governing thought. And that will determine our next birth. So Swami Krishnanand Maharaj used to say, always be careful about it. And we should always think of our goal. We should always think of God. Our God consciousness has to be there throughout thinking of the ultimate reality. That should be our goal of life. That is what we are supposed to do. And in fact, Swami Krishnanand Maharaj also throughout his life, he was ever rooted in Brahman, in the Absolute. Although he may be doing so many activities in the ashram, but in the core of his heart, always you see, he was rooted in the Absolute, rooted in Brahman, rooted in God. He was having God consciousness throughout. That is why at the end also Swamiji Maharaj was very confident and very sure that he is going to merge in God. And in fact, he merged in God. So that is what on this auspicious day of his Punyatithi Aradhana, we should think such important teachings Swami Shivanand and Swami Krishnanand Maharaj had given us. And we should try to follow these instructions, keep all these things in our mind, and let our life also be guided by these most important concepts of spiritual life. If you have this, we will also be blessed, and we can attain the goal of life, which is God realization. So may their blessings, may the blessings of God, may the blessings of Gurudev Swami Shivanand Maharaj, and may the blessings of Param Pujya Swami Krishnanand Maharaj be upon all of us. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Thank you, Swamiji, for your brief and excellent explanation, and then in goal of life of how Swami Krishnanand Maharaj kept in his mind. Thank you for your explanation. Thank you. On this auspicious occasion of 19th anniversary of Mahasamadhi Punyatithi Aradhana of our most adorable and revered Sri Swami Krishnanand Maharaj, there are some books printed in our Yoga Vedanta Forest Academy Press under the personal supervision of our most revered Padmanabhanji Maharaj. For every occasion, this Yoga Vedanta Forest Academy Press bringing excellent books with beautiful jackets and colorful photographs. On this occasion, they brought a beautiful photograph of Krishnaji Maharaj. This is Spiritual Evolution according to the Bhagavad Gita by Sri Swami Krishnaji Maharaj. Beautiful photograph, Krishnaji Maharaj is there. The second book is, as said by talking about Swamiji, Swamiji knows in depth of our spiritual life. Swamiji wrote Problems of Spiritual Life by Sri Swami Krishnaji Maharaj. This is also a beautiful photograph, Krishnaji Maharaj is there. Another, there are 3 books in Telugu on this auspicious occasion. Hamsanji Maharaj translated it. First one is Meditation and its Utility in Daily Life. It is in Telugu. Oh, it is supposed to be released for Premanji Maharaj centenary. Now on this. It is supposed to be released for Premanji Maharaj centenary. It translated into Telugu. Premanji Swami photographs is there. The Jnana Prasada offered at the holy feet of Swami Premanandaji of the Divine Life Society on the happy occasion of his 101st birthday celebration at Sivananda Ashram Rishikesh on 7th May 2020. Published and financed by printing with noble heart by Sri Karthik Vasishtha of Chicago, USA. Another Telugu book, Kartika Masa Prabodhamu, Telugu. Kartika Masa Prabodhamu by Hamsanji Maharaj. Translation. Colorful jacket. Madhav Divyadam, Bangalore, published by. Guru Nanak photos is there. Okay. Yes, Hamsananda photograph also is there. The third book is Spiritual Journey in September. So Krishnan Swamiji's photo is there. Okay. Excerpts from the book The Universality of Being by H.S. Swami Krishnaji Maharaj, translated into Telugu by Hamsanji Maharaj. Compiled by Sri U. Narayan Rao. Okay. Today we are assembled here on the auspicious occasion of 19th anniversary of Mahasamadhi Punyatithi Aradhana of our most adorable Krishnaji Maharaj. As said by our Swamiji, Swamiji always talk about the 4 types of mukti or liberation. Salokya, Samipya, Sarupya and Sadhya Mukti. Swamiji wanted only Sadhya Mukti, nothing else. And our Gurudev also used to exclaim about Krishnaji Maharaj, so much wisdom you are having, how you sleep. And that was the remark by our adorable Gurudev Swami Shivaji Maharaj about Krishna and Swamiji. Swamiji has got all the memory about the Upanishad scriptures. When he began to dictate, I used to type directly, and all the good memory, and you cannot remove one word from the sentence. And his language was so beautiful. Our Dayanji Maharaj used to tell, it is much better than our Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's English. And his English was so good, and I got the privilege and opportunity to assist Swamiji in typing all his dictations. And today we are very fortunate and to celebrate his birthday. Swamiji was a great saint, recognized by our most revered Gurudev also, and he was the best friend of Chidanji Maharaj. And they used to work together for many years. And whatever, without consulting Chidanji Maharaj, Swamiji will never do anything. That was his friendship. Because of that, from 1964, after Mahasamadhi of Gurudev, they worked together. Today we are enjoying all the comforts because of their noble effort. In those days, economically, it was very difficult to maintain. At that time, it is Krishnaji Maharaj worked night and day and supervised each and every expenditure of the ashram, and he brought it in such a way. Now we are enjoying. We do not know how to spend the money also. That is the position now. And Swamiji always respect the goddess of Lakshmi. He used to worship Lakshmi and said everybody, he wanted to keep Vishwanath Mandir Mooladhana Puja so that their inmates, there is no need to go outside. Even Vishwanath Mandir Mooladhana Puja fund itself will feed the inmates. That was his security given to all the inmates of the ashram. Always he felt that every inmate should be comfortable and they must do sadhana. They should not think about any need of creature comforts. That was his able intention from the beginning. And he will never feel, during winter months, he will never like to see anybody suffering with cold. And he always feel the creature comforts of each and every sadhaka of the ashram. He worked very, very hard. Today we are all so comfortable, secure, and living peacefully because of his noble efforts. On this auspicious occasion, may the grace of the Almighty, blessings of Krishnaji Maharaj be ever upon us all, is my heartfelt prayer. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Trayambakam Yajamaki Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandanan Mrutyo Mukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamaki Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandanan Mrutyo Mukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamaki Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamaki Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamaki Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyamamrutat. Harihi Om. Universal prayer. O adorable Lord of mercy and love, salutations and prostrations unto Thee, Thou art omnipresent, omnipotent and omniscient. Thou art Satchitananda, existence, consciousness, bliss absolute. Thou art the indweller of all beings. Grant us an understanding heart, equal vision, balanced mind, faith, devotion and wisdom. Grant us inner spiritual strength to resist temptations and to control the mind. Free us from egoism, lust, greed, hatred, anger and jealousy. Fill our hearts with divine virtues. Let us behold Thee in all these names and forms. Let us serve Thee in all these names and forms. Let us ever remember Thee. Let us ever sing Thy glories. Let Thy name be ever on our lips. Let us abide in Thee forever and ever. Let us abide in Thee forever and ever. Om Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu, Sarvesham Santir Bhavatu, Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu, Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet, Asato Ma Sadgamaya, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Kayena vacha manasendriyarva buddhyatmana va prakrti svabhavat karomi adyat sakalam parasmai narayanaye samarpayami. सच्चिदानंद भगवान की जय, विश्वनाथ भगवान की जय, सद्गुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय, सद्गुरु श्री स्वामी कृष्णानंद महाराज की जय, सब संतन की जय, सनातन धर्म की जय, सब धर्मों की जय, गंगा मैया की जय। नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव।